In this video, I'll be explaining to you how to use attestation code to upload O-level results to your JAMB portal. So kindly follow this procedure to the end and do well to share this video to your classmate, to your friend, or any other JAMB candidate you know. Please give it a viral sharing, share it across, and do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a like thumb and a nice comment. Thank you so much. Now let's go to the procedure one after the other. So the step one is to visit this particular address, https://efacility.jamb.gov.ng/purchase attestation code. So you're going to click on we're going to go to this website to obtain the attestation code. Then after buying it, then the second step is to upload go to the upload of the result using the code, and this can be done by JAMB CBT Center. So the next step is now to log into the registration application. So we will now select UTME registration or DE. This simply means that if you want to if a UTME candidate want to upload these O-level results, so we click on UTME registration. But if a DE candidate or DE applicant want to upload these O-level and A-level results, A-level such as JUPEB, IGMB, Cambridge, HND, OND, NC, BSc. So that one is going to, that candidate will click on DE registration. So after that, then the next thing to do is to click on O-level, upload O-level results at the submenu. So look at the sample here, see how it looks like, something like this. As you can see, this is how it will look like. Now after clicking on this upload O-level result, now let's go to the next step. So the page will load. Then after loading, we are going to have this next stage. We are going to select use O-level result attestation code. You select it from a box. So you are going to input your profile code in the space provided, then click on fetch candidate details. So by the time you click on fetch candidate details, it's going to bring out all the information about the candidate. Do you understand? So let's continue. So it looks something like this. Look at the image. See how it will look like something like this, as you can see. Hope you see this very well. All right, now let's go. So after clicking on this fetch candidate details, as you can see it here, after clicking on it, so the next thing to do is now to what? Let's follow this same procedure. Now look at this mini first stage. The current verified status shows no if calling this for the first time. So select the number of sitting, maybe double sitting or single sitting, or even 3 sittings. But mostly students can upload only 2 sittings, you understand, or 1 sitting. So you select the number of sitting, then if the candidate has not obtained the attestation code to verify the result, click on the purchase O-level result attestation code link to converge the result attestation code purchase page. So we are going to click on. So the next step is now click on attest O-level result button, and this is the sample of how it will look like. So look at the sample of the picture of how it will look like, as you can see. So after this, the next stage is now to look at these 2 next stage, which says that note that the candidate is to purchase attestation code for the number of sitting, so meaning that 1 per result. So if you are uploading double result, that means you are purchasing 2 attestation code. If you are uploading combined result, it simply means that you are going to what? You are going to buy two code. But if you are uploading 1 result, you are going to buy 1 code. Please look at this very well. This is very important. Now let's continue. So on the attestation code form, so you are going to select the pin, select the examination body, maybe WAEC, NECO, NABTEB, you understand. So, and it is stated here that only WAEC is available for now. As time goes on, NECO 2 and NABTEB will be available. So select the exam series. So maybe private or school exam. Private means external exam. These are the GCE. While school exam, that is the internal exam. So select the examination year, then supply the candidate examination or registration number. So something like this, as you can see. Now for 2 sittings, it will look like this. This is 1, 2, as you can see from the screen. 1, 2 for 2 sittings. So after that, then you click on validate O-level result attestation code. So as you can see it here, so then the results are presented as follow. So now look at the way the results are presented as follow. Look at this very well. I hope this is very clear. Look at the sample of how it will look like. So fetch O-level results, from one sitting. So you can see 7 subjects selected: biology, chemistry, civic, economics, English language, general math, physics. This is the grade, the exam type. Like what I said earlier, is only WAEC that is available for now. Only WAEC attestation code is available for now. So the exam type, the exam series, examination year, examination number. Okay, so look at it. So the next step is now to double click on the top left of the grid to select all subjects. That means you are going to double click on all this box, as you can see, at once, instead of selecting one after the other for one sitting only. As you can see it is well explanatory if you read this thing very well. So here it says that for 2 sittings, the candidate is expected to choose the subject in bracket result, not repeating each subject. Take note of that. So, and then we have here is minimum of 5 and maximum of 9 subject results are allowed. So now look at the sample, see how it will look like. Look at the sample. Look at the sample, see how it will look like. Look at it very well. So this is how to upload your O-level result using attestation code. So the amount for the code yet, JAMB has not released the amount for the code yet, but I think the code should be around, well, don't let me predict, but it's not be that much. It will not be that much, but let's see. JAMB has not released the price for the attestation code yet, and it simply knows that if you're uploading combined result, your own money will be double. If you are uploading a single result, your own money will be single. So something like that, because you are buying combined result, we buy 2 attestation code, while single results we buy just 1 attestation code. So now the next thing now says click on the apply the O-level result button to process the result for upload. So then we have this returns to the calling page. So read this very well. Then the next thing now say click on upload results. So once you click on upload result, then it's going to look like this. Good. So here now says that candidate biometric is required before the process can be completed. So it means that students still need to do biometric thumbprint. So you still need to thumbprint, as you can see. Now look at the thumbprinting stage. This is it. Using the fingerprint reader, scan your fingerprint. So you still need to thumbprint. The last stage. Once candidate biometric is successfully verified, the result is updated. A successful message will be displayed, and upon click on OK button, the form automatically closed. So you have this, and then everything you can see. This place has turned to verified. Yes. As you can see it here, it has turned to verified. Yes, as you can see. Then that's the whole. So thank you. So my name is Matken. Please do well to share this video to your friend, your classmate, any candidates you know who is trying to upload his O-level results. So thank you so much for watching this video.